Hey guys, welcome back to the Dabbler's Den. It's Chris, and I'm back with another quick gear review. This one is for a dry bag backpack put out by a company called SAK gear. SAK is short for Skog Kust. When we come back, we're going to open up one of these. This is one of the biggest and nicest bags that I've reviewed so far. So when we come back, let's open this up and I'll show you guys what you get. All right, welcome back. So as I just mentioned, you can pick one of these up on Amazon. Again, this is one of the nicest and biggest bags that I've reviewed. I haven't opened it yet though, so just like with all my reviews, what you see is what you get. But this thing is huge. You can pick one of these up on Amazon for just around $60. And for the amount of space you're gonna get, this could be super valuable. So check one of these out on Amazon. But let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what you'll get on the inside. Again, this is exactly how it came from Amazon. Just gonna get rid of this packaging. I am out fishing today, so I want to make sure that none of this plastic gets in the water. All right. Like I said, this thing is huge. It's 35 liters and it's made of 500D PVC material. This is a tarpaulin material, so it's super sturdy, super strong. All the welds are high frequency welded together. You can see here that there's a nice zipper compartment in the front. Keep in mind that anything that's in the front here with this zipper is not going to be waterproof. It'll be water or splash resistant, but not waterproof. They come in a wide range of colors. You can see here all of this material. This is a reflective material, so if you take this out camping, I know that I've taken a couple overnight kayak trips, and something like this would be very helpful to find your gear at night. You can get very disoriented sometimes at night, so having a little bit of reflection can help out big time with that. As far as the back, you've got a handle here. Really nice padded back. You've got the sternum strap here for support. Really nice, all padded. Yeah, so again, this thing is gigantic. It's a huge bag. You can fit lots of gear in this thing. Give me just a second and we're gonna go ahead and stuff this with some dry articles, things that I wanna keep dry, a couple towels, a sweatshirt, and then we're gonna give it the old dunk test and see if it holds up to its name and is in fact waterproof. So give me just a second. All right, so like I said, this thing is gigantic. Now, before I fill it with some articles of dry clothing, I want to go ahead and take off any tags or anything like that that's on this. Looks like there's only one, and this does have the directions on it, but I'm going to show you how to use this. So, all right, so that's cool. Now, on the inside, there is a zippered bag. I don't know if you can see that in there, but there is a zippered pouch on the inside if you want to have, if there's a cell phone or maybe a map or something like that you want to make sure it stays dry. But you want to keep it separate from the rest of your gear. There's a really good place in there to put that. Well, let's go ahead and put some dry articles in here. I've got a couple towels that I want to keep dry. There's one. I've got another towel. And because this bag is so huge, I'm going to go ahead and put this the sweatshirt in there as well. And all right, so I got a few big things in there. Now keep in mind, I just put a few big articles in there. This thing is so big, you can fit all kinds of stuff inside of that. Make sure I zip that up. There's also a cool little deflector, water deflector there to keep the water off of that. A lot of thought went into this bag, I like it. Okay, now, so to use one of these, there's no zippers or anything like that to keep the water out. What you do is make sure the top is closed, and then you want to give it a few good rolls, and then clip it off. And so we're gonna give it 3 rolls, 1, 2, 3. And now there's 2 ways you can do this. One, get that out of there. One, you can pull it over the top and you can put the 2 clips together like that. And that's how I usually do it because it gives me a nice handle to hold on to. But keep in mind that this one does come with a handle. The other way you could do this is to fold it down and then use it more like a compression strap to pull that down. And that's how I'm going to go ahead and do it now. Those on, compression down. And so there you go. This is how this thing is going to be packed up. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and dunk this in the water, and we're gonna see if it holds true to its name and keeps my material dry on the inside. That's the purpose. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's give this a good old dunk test and see if it holds true. All right, we got the full submersion on that one. All right, there you go. You can see the outside is soaking wet. Let's see how the inside does. Open it up, and everything on the inside is still good and dry. No worries there. Again, guys, so this thing here, gigantic. You know, if you're in the market for a really large waterproof backpack, this is great for kayaking. You know, I'm out on the boat right now. I want to stuff it, you know, full of things that you need to keep dry. Maybe some safety equipment, things like that. Perfect. Huge, reflective, very high quality. Give these guys a look. Again, it's SAK gear on Amazon for right around $60. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.